Tonight, attorneys have filed a lawsuit against the city of Whitehall over the death of a man following his arrest at a Walmart. Good to see you tonight at 11. I'm Andrew Kinsey.
And I'm Yolanda Harris. Now, the incident occurred on January 19th, and the man died 5 days later from what the Franklin County coroner calls blunt force trauma with skeletal and brain injuries. 10 TV's Carly Dion talked with the attorney and has the video of what happened. Carly.
Yolanda, Andrew, according to the lawsuit, the 43-year-old Alex Menhenett took public transportation to Walmart to buy a space heater when he entered the self-checkout area, where he briefly interacted with a store employee who told him self-checkout was closed. The employee then calls Walmart's asset protection team, reporting Menhenett was drunk and he would not leave.
My initial reaction was almost tears.
Tim Mahler is one of the attorneys representing Alex Menhenett's family in this case. Body camera video we received from that law firm shows a Whitehall auxiliary police officer walking up to Menhenett inside Walmart. We're not naming the officer involved because he is not currently facing criminal charges for this case.
Hey, bud, how you doing?
Hey, how you doing, sir?
Looking to buy a heater today?
No, I'm doing just fine. No, I was just trying to pay for this.
Mahler says 43-year-old Menhenett slurred his words and walked with a sway due to a severe car crash more than 20 years ago that left him permanently disabled. The crash left him deaf in both ears, but received a cochlear implant in his left ear to help him hear.
His friends will tell you, his associates will tell you, there's times where Alex is difficult to understand because he slurs his words.
The lawsuit also states Menhenett was a chronic alcoholic. The officer continues to question Menhenett.
I'm just trying to pay for this so I can get out of here.
Right.
I don't want to go to Subway and get a sub.
I'm noticing a couple of things going on with you. Have you had some alcoholic beverage today?
Huh?
Menhenett then asks the officer what's the matter, to which he replies his behavior indicates he's in public intoxicated.
You're intoxicated.
Well, actually, I'm not. Okay,
I think you are.
Sober. Well, you can think that if you want to.
According to the toxicology report from the Franklin County Coroner's Office, Menhenett had a blood alcohol level more than 3 times the legal limit. But the lawsuit claims Menhenett developed a significant alcohol tolerance level greater than the average drinker from being a chronic alcoholic. The officer then takes the space heater from Menhenett and places it on the shelf.
Hey, place your hands behind your back. Do it now. Do not resist. Do you understand me? You are under arrest. Do not resist. Place your hands behind your back. Do it now.
Menhenett asks the officer, "What are you?" To which he identifies himself as a Whitehall police officer and states his name.
Place your hands behind your back or I'm going to do it for you, and you don't want that.
Menhenett complies, and the officer motions for him to turn around. The officer then gets behind him and tries to grab him, but Menhenett walks away.
Step it up, he's resisting.
Menhenett continues resisting, and the officer takes him to the ground. This surveillance video from the store shows the moment it happens. Body camera video showed Menhenett was bleeding from his head and unresponsive.
It just didn't need to happen. This was such a preventable situation.
Mahler believes they'll have a strong case in court.
The first point is that he should have never been arrested in the first place. But once the decision is made to arrest him, you can't use excessive force to arrest him.
We reached out to Whitehall Police for a response to this lawsuit, and we also requested personnel files for the officer, as well as the full body camera video from the incident. We are still waiting to hear back. Carly Dion, 10 TV News.